A playlist is a collection of items from the lore grouped together for any number of instructional uses. Playlists can be created and shared by teachers, admin, and instructional designers, and may contain digital learning objects, instructional guidance, and standards. There are 3 different playlist views. This is Teacher View. Here a user can view the playlist information by expanding the top section. This may include a description, objectives, and instructions for teachers and students. If teacher attachments are included, they will display here. Other available actions are found in this menu, including the ability to see standard alignments. Use this link to return to the playlist. If specific instructional notes were added about how to use an item on the playlist, you can see them by hovering over the learning object itself. Click an object to launch Presentation View, designed for full class presentation. Advance between the items on the playlist here, and open the specific object comments and notes here. You can toggle between playlist views using these buttons. This is Student View. The playlist information displays here and can be collapsed at a view if desired. Standards are available in the menu. Users can click on the thumbnails to navigate between each item. The instructional guidance for each learning object will appear here as it is selected. In Classic View, all information is visible on one screen. This view is designed for creating a playlist. Playlist information is displayed at the top. Teacher-only attachments, if included, will also show here. Learning objects and their playlist-specific notes display here. Select Manual to open Presentation View. As you and your colleagues build and share playlists, you'll be able to find them in Search on the Playlist tab and in Playlists. From here you can search, organize, and view your playlists. You can also view playlists shared by users in your school and browse playlists that have been shared across the district. Notice the active playlist designation in the upper right of your screen. Opening a playlist automatically makes it your active playlist. This appears on all Safari Montage search pages and gives you a quick link back to the playlist you most recently viewed in the view you were in last.